Hi, it's Shane from 105.1 The Blaze, and we're at Lucy's Lounge in the Tower District once again. From the radio station so cool we had to have a cocktail named after us. We're going to learn how to make the Blaze. This is a very cool and spicy drink that you're going to love. And Sarah Primavera is going to teach us how to do that right now.
Brand new cocktail. It's going to be on our new menu coming out in the next few days. We named this one the Blaze because it's very fitting. So we're going to start with 2 small jalapeno rings. We're going to put those in the bottom. Then we're going to take a quarter of an orange, so just a big wedge, squeeze it in there, the whole thing. We're going to put a ½ ounce of fresh orange juice in there. Then we're going to muddle. I like to bring it down here a little bit. So we're just going to muddle this together really quick. Not too much. You don't need to get crazy. We're going to add some Szechuan peppercorn bitters. This is going to kick it up even more. So we got to have a little spicy drink if we're going to call it the Blaze. We got some Aperol, some Yucatan honey shrub. It's going to give it a little bit of sweet. We're going to do a little Ancho Reyes chili liqueur. And I'm pretty sure you can get everything here at Bevmo. And we're going to do some Don Julio because tequila is amazing. And we're going to put a lot of tequila in it because that makes it more amazing. Now we're going to add a little citrus. We're going to add some, where is it? Some grapefruit juice. I like the ruby red. We're going to add a little lemon juice and a little bit of simple syrup. Again, we want to balance that sugar and that acid together. It's not going to quite taste right. Okay, I think that's everything in our Blaze cocktail. So I'm going to give this a nice big shake. Get everything really married together in there. Nice glass. Okay. And when shaking, you should shake hard. It's good to shake hard because it adds a little more dilution. And that's what we want from shaking besides chilling it. So we're just going to double strain this as well because we don't want to get the pulp from that orange in here or the jalapeno seeds. Take that like that. We're going to garnish it now with a couple little jalapeno rings. Make it nice and delicious. Add a little bit more spice to it. If I can get these to stay on the ice cube, that's a miracle. And for the last little bit, we are going to flame an orange twist. And this does add to the flavor profile of the drink. It's going to give it a nice smoky nose. And we can't have a drink called the Blaze if there's not some fire involved. Just going to heat this up really quick. Boom. Nice char on top. Beautiful cocktail, and we're all done. I hope you guys enjoy these cocktails, and we'll look forward to making some more for you in the near future. Thank you.